How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's video, yet again, I'm looking at SNDL Sundial Growers. This is actually my fourth video this week. There's just so much volume on it, so many people watching it. And the prices basically remain stagnant. I really wanted to break out of 85 cents. The high we got today was 82.99 pre-market, and then 82. Well, just at 82 right there. Normal trading hours, and then more resistance at 81. So it looks like so many people are trying to hold this down. Right now it's just sitting on VWAP right there at 77 cents. So that'll be our first support and resistance heading into tomorrow. We do have some more support at 75 though, which is good. That's definitely what you want to see. If I take you out to the 1-year chart, the low was 13 cents, high was 94 cents, I think, in normal trading hours. So the volume, like I said, 2.7 billion shares of volume. That was on, that was Monday now. And then Tuesday, 1.27. Yesterday, 0.85 billion, so 850 million. And then almost just shy of 1 billion today. So a lot of people liked it. Now I will tell you this, to the 1-year chart. So each candle represents the day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today. So that's the thing. This was a good 3-bar play, and I was telling you guys in the last video, which I really appreciate, that it really popped off. Turn my notifications off. 2.1 thousand views. So really appreciate that, guys. So I really wanted to break it out of the 95-cent level and push up to $1. It did not happen, but luckily we did come down to at least 72 cents, and that was good support. I like that it held 66 as well as 50. Now I'll tell you this, if it falls below 60 cents, 59, I'm going to call bearish on it. It's just going to put it back basically right where it was. Nonetheless, it was 13 cents, but people are just going to, I'll tell you what, the people that trade these penny stocks, mostly many beginners trade it because that's what they can afford, and they can buy 100 shares and, they make possibly, $300 just on the 100 shares. And the professional penny flippers who literally buy like 400,000 shares, buy it at 70, sell it at 72, and they make like, what is that, 8 grand? So that's the people that are trying to buy it right now. As well, you just have the normal people that buy pot stocks like HEXO, definitely buying ACB, War Cannabis, very crazy price action. It was a split, but still low 370, and then right there at $11 per share. Now SNDL, I take you out to the 3-year or the 1-year chart rather. Sorry, a 388 is the high. I do think we can get that. We just got to break $1 level. I feel like many people, today was a make it or break it level, or they're going to train it the rest of the week, or tomorrow or the next week as well. And with that, I do want to see break $1.26 as well as $1.70 and $1.56 as well. More resistance. Like I said, guys, there are going to be people trying to hammer this down. There's so many take a look at this. The day was majority red, selling volume, 1.28 billion shares of downward pressure volume. Obviously some buying, but mostly down pressure is why the candle's red, obviously. And the past 2 days were green, and they were better than each other. So tomorrow we get 1.2 billion shares of volume, push it over $1. Yeah, very bullish. I want to see $1.50. Next week I do want to see $2. And then, well, again, guys, I'm not 100% familiar with SNDL and pot stocks, and people on StockTwits, again, don't trust them, but just take their word, I guess, and do your own due diligence using that. The House should be voting on pretty soon about legalizing cannabis. So if they do that, obviously there's going to be a little pump. We'll try to see if it can hold levels. These were the past 4 days are really just the same video, just going over the same news. You guys can pause the video and read any of these catalysts. A lot of news coming out the first Tuesday, and then it was featured in a couple of articles as well. Like I said, pop ahead on votes on cannabis legalization. So majority leader, I clicked on these. I don't find a date. Oh, guys, right. My mistake. Guess I didn't click on this one. So the first votes of the week will now occur Wednesday, December 4th at 6:30 p.m. with the last votes of the Friday, December 4th. The House will consider several bills under suspension of the rules and the MORA Act. The House may complete legislative business early as the week of December 7th. So obviously that is next week. I'm very happy about this. This is actually really good. Um, this is really good news. Didn't even click on that one. Wow. So sorry guys about that one. But with that being said, that thing we just read, their House is definitely voting on something tomorrow. You know, they voted on Wednesday. They're definitely voting on something tomorrow. And I really, guys, this is what I'm trying to say. It's the make it or break it level at $1. There's no turning back if it can't break it. It's a Canadian company. Canada, weed's been illegal in Canada since October 2018. That is a fact. I read an article about that. And you have Joe Biden trying to give amnesty, I think is the word for it, to people that are in nonviolent drug offenses. I believe it, guys. Don't quote me on it. I haven't done that much research on him because he kind of flip-flops, but that's a typical game of politics. And obviously the stock market is well aware about politics. The earnings, negative $36, negative 41. We got to see this be better than negative 41 cents at least. If it's not, again, even if it breaks $1, we could see it come back down to that 77-cent level. With these penny stocks right now at 77 cents, it is very, very iffy. You know, we take a look at Hexo, and we saw that it did break out of that dollar, and then it came all the way back down to 72 cents. With the earnings, it was better than the last quarter, so there you go. And then now it broke past $33, came back down. So with this, the chart similarly follows SNDL. You know, not exactly, but for this one, it has to break $1.20, then $1.30 to push up to $2.30. So you have a better chance. If you like slow movers, that's HEXO. And if you want more profit, that is SNDL, Sundial Growers. That's, you know, because there's more room from 77 cents to 388. That's a whole $3.11 per share. So guys, with that being said, I appreciate you watching. Like I said, thank you so much. The channel's been growing recently, so fast recently. And again, I'll repeat myself one more time. If you guys want to join the Patreon, we did call the stock at 28 cents, November 28th. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.